Hey Prof. Bowie, it's Braden Lehue, and this is my Creative Computing Week 6 project, video. And here I have only chosen about 9 of the 19 projects that were in the book. I decided to skip on showing the debug-its, and I only chose a few of the puzzles to show because there's so many and I didn't want to make the video too long for you. So the first project I'm going to show is the maze that I made. There is all the coding for that, and here's what it does. Alright, and there you go. That's the completed one. And then if you click this black square, it takes you back and lets you play again. The second one that I have is called Pong, and there is all the coding for that specific project. Let me get rid of that real quick. And here is what it does. Sorry, you messed up. Alright, and I also forgot to mention that the maze was the one where I did the extensions on, and I added more levels, and I also added the timer. And then here is the third project. And that is all the coding for that project. Just kind of like a Flappy Bird. And then here is the fourth project. There's all the coding. And here's just some of the other coding. And this is what it does. Alright. And then here's one of my favorites, and I talked about it in my reflection. It changes color when it hears sound, and here's what it does. Alright. And here's the next one. This was puzzle number 8. And that is the coding for the dancers, and here's what it does. Right. And then here's another puzzle. There's the coding that I used, and here's what it does. Alright, and here's another puzzle. That's what it does. And here is the coding for it. Get rid of that real quick. And then here is another puzzle. This one's pretty simple. There's the coding, and it's just a rocket ship that follows my mouse. And here is the last puzzle I'm going to show. There's the coding for it, and that's what it does. You just click Alright, Prof. Bowie, I hope you enjoyed this video, and that's the end.